No exercise, no diet. Drink this magical globe water to lose weight. 100% effective, natural remedy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy. It's a magical globe water to lose weight. First thing we need, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of clove, then boiling the water with clove in a low flame. Now, put it in a cup and drink it at night before you go to bed. For best results, drink this water every day. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.